Hello friends, welcome back to Code Tonight. So we are back with another video, and in this specific video what we are doing is we are trying to solve error Twilio.Exceptions.ApiException, and that is returning back the authenticate message. So I will show you what we are trying to do here. So we have this controller, and this is a ASP.MVC controller, and here what we are trying to do is we are trying to send SMS using the Twilio account, and we have the account aside at the O token and the Twilio phone number, and then we are just simply trying to send the message. And so guys, if you are also getting the authenticate error like I just showed you earlier, um, okay, so we will see the error. So the error says Twilio.Exceptions.API exceptions authenticate. So this error can come when you have incorrect credentials that you are using. So you have to make sure and again recheck the credentials that you have. So for example, you can log into your Twilio account. If you have an account, then you can log in into that, and then you have to go to your account, and on the main dashboard screen you will be able to see the account SID and auth token. So what you have to do is you have to copy those. So you can see these three details. You have to click on copy, and then you have to replace the details again, and replace the auth token also, and then replace the Twilio phone number. So you have to replace all these three information again. So if there is any kind of issue, then that will be fixed uh, once you replace that with the correct ones. So now we are trying to again run the application and see if the error doesn't if the error shows up again. So you can also try to rerun the application and try to resend the message that you just did earlier. So now we will hit the action where we are sending the message, and now it will pick the message details, and now it is able to send the message. So you can see it is queued, and I have also received this on my contact number. So this time it is working. So this can be the issue if you are getting the authenticate error that you don't have the correct credentials. So thank you guys, and let us know if that fix your issue. So thank you.